Hey, well done for completing yet another module. You're really getting the hang of this. Now, in this little mini catch-up that we have, I want to talk to you about discipline because, a lot of people mistake motivation, like the concept of motivation, for excitement. Like, you ask yourself, if I want to be a programmer so much, why am I just not jumping out of bed and wanting to code? Those days do happen, and I have those days too. There are days when I wake up early and I think, oh, I can't wait to work on this project. But there's also days where I wake up and I'm like, oh, I don't want to look at a computer for a year. So, at the end of the day, motivation is about you wanting to do something because you're trying to get someplace. You're trying to achieve your goals. Now, this might be a good time to have a look back at the goals that you wrote out in the first module. Why are you doing this? Because in these moments when motivation is low, then you have to look at the reasons for why you're putting in this work, right? And in most cases, what it comes down to is just discipline. You gotta have the discipline to just sit down and do the work and put in the hours. And the great thing about discipline, though, is that discipline breeds discipline. The more that you do it, the easier it gets. The more that you sit down every day, do an hour of coding, the easier it is on subsequent days in order to keep doing this. So you're doing the right thing. Just plow on, and me and the office unicorn and the office crustacean, we're both going to be here cheering on for you. So keep going and you'll get there.